In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create realistic shadow in Affinity Photo. Shadows are one of the easiest ways to make a composite feel grounded and believable. In just a few simple moves, you can add depth, weight, and direction to your subject so it truly feels like it belongs in the scene. I'll walk you through the exact process and share tips to make it look natural from the start. Begin by opening your image in Affinity Photo. Make sure you can see the Layers panel so you know exactly what you're working on. This method assumes your subject is already on its own layer, separate from the background. That way, everything we do stays clean and controlled. Next, duplicate the subject layer. Duplicating gives you a perfect copy to turn into the shadow while keeping the original untouched. It's helpful to rename the duplicate to shadow so you don't lose track as you work. Now fill that duplicate with black. Select the shadow layer, then use the fill command and choose pure black. You want a solid silhouette of your subject, no texture, no color, just a clean, opaque shape. If the subject was properly cut out, only that shape will fill and the background won't be affected. Move the new shadow behind the subject and position it. In the Layers panel, drag the shadow layer below the original. Then, with the Move tool, place it where a real shadow would fall. Think about the direction of your light. If the light is coming from the left, the shadow should stretch to the right. Anchor the base of the shadow at the subject's contact point with the ground, and gently rotate or scale to match the perspective of the surface. A believable shadow often tapers slightly as it recedes and follows the contours of the ground. Apply Gaussian blur to soften the edges. Go to the blur filter and increase the radius until the hard silhouette relaxes into a soft, diffused edge. Shadows are sharpest near the contact point and softer as they extend, so aim for a blur that feels natural to the distance and the lighting in your scene. Finally, lower the shadow's opacity. Reduce it until it blends into the environment without overpowering it. In bright, outdoor light, shadows can be darker but still translucent. In softer indoor light, they tend to be lighter and more diffused. Trust your eye here. If it disappears, raise it a touch. If it steals attention, pull it back. And that's it. You've created a realistic shadow that anchors your subject and elevates your image.